Hotel's warming up apparently for the 7th. There's a stretching play by Cruz. He can't get it. It's going to roll all the way to the wall. Here comes the runner to third. They're going to try and score Jackson. Here comes the front of the plate. It's an inside the park home run.
The most exciting play in baseball.
Austin Jackson hits one to right field. Cruz sold out and he paid for it. Get him some air.
As soon as Nelson Cruz left his feet in the outfield and didn't get to it, with Jackson's speed and his ability to cut the corners on the base paths, it was going to be very difficult for them to prevent him from getting an inside the park home run. And give James Lamont some credit over there for sending him home.
Jackson a huffing and a puffing around third base.